Amirul from Malaysia.
I just have one question regarding about how to make tahiyat the last tashahud. So basically, I watched your video on the authentic sunnah to pray just like as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But when I watched to the final part, that the way you say, I mean the way the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said his tashahud is different from the one that the one I'm taught at Imam Fanti in Malaysia doing at the Shafi'i Mazhab. So is the correct, is the tahiyat syahud correct? Because it goes something like this: at-tahiyatul mubarakatuh salawatut thayyibatu lillah, assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi sholihin, asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna muhammadan rasulullah, Allahumma shalli Muhammad wa ala Muhammad kama shallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala Ibrahim wa barik ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala Ibrahim fil alamin innaka Hamidum Majid. Is this correct?
Yes, it is.
Mashallah, alhamdulillah.
Yes, this is authentic because there are 3 or 4 different versions of at-tahiyyat, and the one you've mentioned is also authentic without any problem, inshallah.